Hello guys, today we're gonna be rating ES Alarm. So let's just go. USA. It's not that creepy. I'll give it 5 out of 10. Canada, 8 out of 10. Like, I don't know. Nah, that's not that scary. That's just a random game that bugs. That Australia, 9 out of 10. What is that country? I don't know. Saudi Arabia. What is that? Oh, iPhone. Singapore. Wow. Indonesia. Yeah. It's the car. The car running. Someone tried to steal it. Nah. What the fuck is that? What? Why? What is that? I don't know. No way. Norway, no way. No way. Same as Indonesia. What? That's not how you play it. You must eat nuggies. You must eat the nuggies.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know what's that. What is this? It's the same as USA? I don't know.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the request of the Arabian Republic of Egypt. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against Egypt. The nuclear warheads has been launched from the United States and they are expected to strike Egypt within 15 minutes. Due to the uncertain facts about this missile, all residences of Egypt should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
What? What? That's definitely not. This is a sound. Is this a country? I don't know what is that. Imagine that sounds scary. Is that a country? What? Francis just... You are going to twice it! Yeah! What is this? Is that Denmark? South Korea. Russian. Sorry, I cannot speak that. Monaco. What?
Προσοχή. Silver alert.
What? No. No. Imagine if it's not my dream. Stop it! A lot. What? Nipple. 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 What? I told you guys in the emergency area. What is that? Is that Tuvalu? I think that's Tuvalu. What the? Yeah, flip and upside down, flip. He's crying. No, 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 no. What? Wee. Kenya was not in the What? That's not even an alarm. That's just... I recognized this when I was a kid. When I was not a YouTuber mainly. What? That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. What is that country? Comment down below if you That's not even a lie. That's a Dennis song. What the frick is that? Oh shit, it's hitting itself. Same as USA. Tuvalu! What the fuck? Senegal! Yeah, it sounds like a game. Imagine if you hear that. You should never open. What? What? Is he still in USA's alarm? Let's see my that thing. What? Ice cream, of course. This just sounds like FNAF song. What? What? a loud warning, dude. It's the same as no. Okay, that's the end, I guess. Thank you all for watching.